If you're looking for a way to learn Xero projects for free without having to do endless Google searches or jumping from one random YouTube video to the next, you've come to the right place. We've put a bunch of our tutorials together into a playlist that you can watch from start to finish for free that will teach you how to set up and use Xero projects with ease. So it's basically like a free course and you can watch it whenever you like and as many times as you like. This is actually the first video in the playlist, and to watch the rest of the videos, all you need to do is go to the description below and either click on the link to go to the next video or click on the link to bring the entire playlist up on the side of your screen, and then you can watch the videos one by one. These links are also available in the descriptions of all the videos in the playlist, so if you get lost, just go to the description and click on one of the links provided. We've also partnered with Xero for this video, and we're happy to tell you that we've secured a big discount of 90% off your first 6 months of Xero if you sign up through the link in the description below. This offer is valid at the time of recording, so if you want to save some money, use our link to sign up to Xero. Okay, so what are we going to cover on this free course? First, it's important to note that I will most likely add, remove, and update lessons over time, but in a nutshell, you'll learn when to use Xero projects or Xero's tracking categories instead, how to assign supplier bills, services, and inventory to specific jobs, deposit invoices, invoicing from quotes, and handling time and expense billing, project reporting, and we'll also run through an example project from start to finish. Please note that we have separate playlists for learning other parts of Xero, so if you'd like to do other courses for free, check out those playlists on our channel. Hopefully, this playlist will save you lots of time and money when learning how to use Xero projects, and of course, if you have any questions or suggestions, we'd love to hear from you, so drop a comment below. Okay, that's it for this video. Go ahead now and click on one of the links in the description below, depending on what you want to do next. And don't forget to check out our affiliate link so you can get the best offer possible from Xero. See you in the next lesson.